be able to have a free service in a time where I'm like really needing support, this worked out really good for me.
The whole experience was amazing. I feel like I want to cry.
Smiles on Us 2025, what an exciting time. This is our 12th year of doing this, and I see this is my favorite day in the whole year. Why? Because you're always happier when you give versus you get, and we're excited to see what this year has for us too.
It's nice to have this to offer to people, to just take that stress off of them. You know, come in for your cleaning, that's one last thing you have to think about. Your filling that's been stressing you out, that you have to think about your bills.
It's not until you participate in an event like this that you see that intangible become tangible. I'm grateful for everyone at DL for their hard work behind the scenes. Nobody ever sees that, of course, but hopefully that when you come in to experience an event like this, you see the impact that it has done in the community.
I love to see the same faces come back year after year, and they recognize us and we recognize them, and it's just my favorite day of the year.
The staff was great, really friendly, and yeah, everything happened really smoothly and really fast.
I feel like I want to smile and show my teeth now.
Everyone is excited to be here. Everyone is motivated to helping everyone in the community and within the office to make this work.